and welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Angie and I'm a chemist who loves makeup. Today we're going to be talking about a product that is apparently not new. It was a 2018 Allure Beauty winner, but I got this added to my collection honestly at this point quite a few months ago, and it's been a staple in my collection. This product is the Wander Beauty On The Glow Blush and Illuminator. This is a two-sided stick blush and highlighter. So I actually got this product from a third-party review site. This video has nothing to do with that. They didn't ask me to post this. This is just me wanting to share this with you because I've been using this for months and months and months and months now. As I mentioned in my previous review video, the way that this video is going to be structured is we're going to talk about the basics of this product, where, how much you can buy it for. Then we'll go into the review portion of this video, followed by the ingredients and how they make this product work the way that it does. And then we'll go into the pros and cons of this product just to summarize everything. And then we will compare it to a product that I have tried that is similar to this product. So if you've tried that product before, you can assess whether or not you might like this product. So the basics of this product. So this is Wander Beauty and it's their On The Glow Blush and Illuminator. It is a two-side stick product and you have a blush on one side and a highlighter on the other. So it looks like there are 5 colorways. It varies from which retailer you're going to buy from, how many there are. It looks like they all have the same highlighter shade and the variety comes in the blush portion of this. The one that I have is called Bear and I am wearing it today, so let me just swatch it for you. This is like old school YouTube. So that's what color it looks like. So that's obviously the highlighter and then that is the blush. And you get 5.5 grams of blush and 6 grams of highlighter. As I mentioned earlier, it was a Allure Best of Beauty in 2018, but it looks like they did revamp some of the colors in 2022. Maybe that's why it was offered as a product to review. So this product is $37 directly from Wander Beauty and Sephora, and it's $38 from Amazon, who appears to be an authorized retailer of this product. So you're described to be able to put the highlighter portion all over. On the blush portion, they do mention to not use on the eyes. That is because the colorants are technically not eye approved, so if you were to use this on the eyes, it would be at your own risk. So with the blush, I typically apply it directly to the skin, and then I blend it out using a flat top brush. The highlighter I apply directly to the skin, but I actually use my finger because I have a shortage of brushes to use for blending out cream product. Because when I started using this, I was not a big cream girly. This has become a daily staple along with the cream blush from Fenty. I will also link that one down below. So those 3 together have been my routine with a little bit of concealer. That's my daily makeup routine right now. And this one, the highlighter also works really well too now that it's gonna be summer. If you wanna wear like a sleeveless top or maybe something where your collarbones are showing, and it's really smooth so it's not like all powdery or anything like that. So ingredients, because this is a color cosmetic, obviously the colorants are going to be a very big part. This has titanium dioxide in it. That's going to be the white color. It's found both in the highlighter and the blush portion of this product. These are all the rest of the colors that are in this product. They vary. Again, the blush is not considered an eye-safe product because these specific colorants in here are not approved by the FDA for eye use. So it's very similar to those pressed pigment eyeshadows. If you are to use it, if you were to experience any irritation, it's probably due to those dyes. So preservatives. So this is not a water-based formula, so it's not a great breeding ground for microbes. So there's not something in here that is specifically used as a preservative because it's not a great environment for microbes. They do have in here glycerol caprolate. This does have antimicrobial properties, so that will kind of help ensure that nothing's gonna grow, but it does have other benefits to it. It is gonna make the product feel hydrating and give it a better skin feel. There's also tocopherol acetate, as we have talked about in the past. Tocopherol acetate are more used to help keep this product from going rancid. So like any weird smells, any weird consistency, this is an antioxidant, so that's gonna help with a lot of that. There are no fragrance ingredients added to this product. If you get up close to it, it smells like Play-Doh. This is obviously not really off-putting for this product because it's not getting applied unless you're putting it like as an upper lip highlighter directly under your nose where it would be super sensitive, and it's not really to be used as a lip product, so you wouldn't really need to taste it. So what I consider the power hitter ingredients, the things that make this formula On the highlighter side, you have synthetic fluoroflogophyte. In the highlighter portion, you have the synthetic fluoroflogopite. This is what makes it glitter. This is what makes it shine. It is the synthetic version of mica, and this is how they get those really reflective particles. Synthetic fluoroflogopite is a lot better than mica because you can get it down to a smaller particle size to where you have a very smooth texture, but you still get that really shiny, pretty glittery look to it. These are only present in the highlighter side, as I mentioned, not the blush side, which makes sense because this is more of a satin cream looking blush. So if you'll look, you're gonna see that there are these waxes that are listed here. Because this is a stick formula, this is what's gonna help give structure to the product, and this is what's also gonna help the product last longer. There aren't really film formers in here. Those are more liquid type of formulas, so there's nothing to dry down and form this film. These waxes are relying on not interacting with water. The only issue you might have with them is if you have really oily skin, these might break down a little easier. That would interact more with a waxy kind of product. So pros versus cons. So the pros of this product, it's very blendable, it's very creamy. So this is a very buildable product. So this is great if you are someone who is pretty heavy-handed. The lack of film formers ensures that there's not that tough layer, so you're able to go back over it even if it's been a few minutes later. And it creates a very soft, natural look, and it does have decent pigmentation. Again, going back to this, if I blend it out, it's still pretty pigmented. I could still see that. And it is super creamy, very easy to blend out. Some of the cons. This is not a transfer proof product. If you're expecting this to last a big event, or like you could or be transfer proof, this is not the product for you. I use this on a day-to-day basis because I don't care if my makeup really fades throughout the day while I'm at work or running errands. If I would not use this for a big event that I needed my makeup, or an event where I needed my makeup to last all day. One example of that is I went to 2 baby showers this weekend. One was very close to me, so I did my makeup like right before I had to go, and one the next day was a lot further, so I did not use this product because I knew that it would not make it to the baby shower if I had to do my makeup hours and hours and hours beforehand. And that's why I usually just use this for more subtle makeup. It does work fine with foundation, so I guess that can go in the pro category, but typically I don't even wear foundation when I wear this product. So the one product I can compare this to is the Nude Sticks Blush and Highlighter Stick. This is the main one that I have to compare the Wander Beauty product to, and I do think I like the Wander Beauty product better. I feel like it's a lot creamier, it's a lot softer. Although the Nude Sticks one does last a little bit longer, I feel like I would take that trade-off for the creaminess, for the blendability of the Wander Beauty one. So one last tip I also have for this product is I would probably not try to do this with a wet sponge. I'm sure you can get the job done, but I don't think it's gonna go super well because of the fact that it does not have really any water-based ingredients in here. So if you have a wet sponge and you're trying to get it to stick to the water, all you're really probably doing is more smearing it around your face. So I would recommend just use a brush, use your fingers. I think those are the better options in this case. So with that, if you learned something today, please leave it down in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried this product or what other products I should try. And thank you so much for watching. So with that, I will see you in my next video. Bye!